Mrs. Marilyn Budaya of Quezon City. Yes, I am a teacher, having been teaching for 34 years now. I have 6 children, and all of them, all of us, are members of the Junias family since I left all out when I used the product Reserve. In August 2014, I was detected to have lymphoma, a type of cancer, after having the test or undertaking the test of endoscopy, colonoscopy, and biopsy. I also had my ultrasound of the whole abdomen and was given the impression of having solid mass between the stomach and the lower lobe of my liver. September 2014, I strongly refused chemotherapy despite the fact that I was then in the stage 4 level of cancer and was given only months or weeks time to live, if not treated thereby. The thought of leaving my family saddened me terribly, that my only course was to have full trust in God. Simultaneously, the product of Junias was introduced to our family, and that pacified my mind and believed to be the answer to my faith and prayer. I took 9 sachets of Reserve every day and religiously, and after 2 months and a half, I have my ultrasound taken again. It was amazing. There was a great improvement for the solid mass of 9.5 by 7.1 by 4.5 cm is gone. No more to be found. I owe this all to God primarily and secondarily to the instruments He used in improving my health, to the different personalities and uplines, my family, and the products of Junias, especially Reserve and AFTN.